Table 10 tiramisu. You sure? Come on. I'm sorry. You're my other half, okay? Eric, I love this place. I hope you know that. But I don't feel like I'm being listened to now. I don't. You know you could cook. Stuffed enchiladas?
In the oven, 35 to 50 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Careful of breaking.
Uh-huh.
Top with cumin flavored chicken shreds.
Taste this. I'll be damned. Okay. I love you, man. I love you. Love you. Love you. This place needs another chef. You better hire him, okay? Thank you, Daniel. Daniel, thank you.
So, who's gonna do the dishes?
I think I know someone.
Good. Good. Is it me? Fine.